Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to generate calendar like this, right? Like this one you're seeing on your screen in CorelDraw. It's automatic with few clicks, and we are going to do it, right? So let's delete this. So before you start, you need to draw a box of where you want the calendar to be, right? So if you don't draw a box, when you generate the calendar, it will be bigger than your workspace. In fact, it will be too big. So you need to draw a box. Then you come to rectangle and then draw a box like this. This means that our calendar will be inside this box, right? Our calendar will be inside this box. So you click on the box, then come to tools, right? Then come to script. Normally, if you are using a version of CorelDraw from Corel 7 downward, once you come to tools, right, you will see run script. Then once you come to tools, you will see run script. But if you can't find run script, just come to script, right, and then you come to run script. If you can't find run script under tools, then you will find script. So you just come to script and then come to run script, right? So when you come like this pop-up box will appear. Then you just come to this place and choose um calendar wizard. See here, calendar wizard. You just click on it, right? Then you click on run. So it's asking you that should the calendar be inside the box that you created. You say yes because you want it to be inside the box. You don't want it to be bigger than the box. So you click on yes, right? Then this box will appear again. So which year do you want? Hmm? Which year you click on is want year 2025, right? So you want from January to December, you select all, right? But if you don't want that, you can select them one by one. But we want all, right? We want all 2025 calendars. So, and it will be in English. This section means English. Hmm? Where do you want the week to start? Do you want to start on Monday or on Sunday? I always want mine to start on Monday. If you want your own to be Sunday, Tuesday, or whatever, but I want mine to start on Monday, right? So that's for this section. So then you now come to layout. What kind of layout do you want? Hmm? Me, I want it to be three in a row, right? See, it will display here. See, three in a row. If you want large, it will be one on one page on this place, right? If it's two you want, if it's large and too small, you can see the way it appears. So depending on what you want, see, depending on what you want, say four. But for the purpose of this design that I'm making, I'm using three. I'm using three, so I'll just come to 3 by 4, 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So that is what I want. Then I'll now come to um this page layout is the space of the box that you want to put the this in, so you don't have any problem with that. Don't even adjust, just leave it like that. Then small header, we need to give it color because the thing of what I'm doing is red, right? So I need to give it a color. That's where I will come to this small header and I will change it to like the font I was using is Mazard, so I will change it to Mazard, right? I'll change it to Mazard. Then I'll click on, I'll change the color to red, right? And I'll click on OK, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is text. I'll come to this place now and click here, and then I'll adjust the color to the color of of the project I'm working on, and then click on OK, right? So I'll do it. I'll leave this one like this. The back, I'll leave it like this. This place too, I will come here. This header, I'll use Mazard for it. Mazard, I'll use this one. Now change the color also to red. and click on OK. Right? I will come here and then I will adjust this like this. And I'll click on OK. Right? You just change the color the way you want it. Just change the color. Then I'll come to small body. Small body too. I'll change this color to, I'll change the font to Mazard. I'll use this and I'll let the fonts be 4. Then I'll change it to red also. And I'll click on OK. Right? You can see the way everything is appearing here. Then this space, should I change it to red? I don't know. Let me change it to red and see. Oh, I don't want. I don't want. Let it be black. Let it be black. Let the numbers be black. Right? And then should I put this place? Let this place be colored. Right? Let this place be colored. I'll come to small header and I'll change this to black. Right? Or I can change it to red. I can change it to red. Let me come here. I'll change it to red. And then I will change the text to white. You understand now? You see? So now we've changed all the color to what we want in small header, and we change it also in small body, right? So that is all. That is all. Then the next thing that we are going to do, guys, is to just click on generate. Hmm? Generate, and we are good to go. You see that automatically it generates. Automatically it generates. You can see it now. Automatically to generate from January to December. Then you can click on right. So you can see it's in the box. The spacing is dope, right? You can now delete the box and you see your calendar is here. Mhm. You see your calendar is here. Are you feeling it? See your calendar is so that is how to generate calendar in CorelDraw, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll see you guys on the next video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Let us do it together and share the video to people. Share it on your status, share it everywhere. Right? So let's build this channel together. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.